Hello dear students, welcome back to e-learning class of P.N.AMERSEY High School. Today in this video we are going to study chapter number 3, Handling Images in HTML of Standard 10th Computer. Let's start this chapter with image and various formats. Generally picture or images attract majority of people and convey an important message to them. There are various formats of images which are described as below. BMP, bitmap, GIF, graphics interchange format, JPG, joint photographic group, JPEG, joint photographic expert group, PNG, portable network graphics, TIFF, tag, image file format. The image element does not cause a line break, hence it is known as an inline element. While using the image tag, we need not have to provide any content but the source of image with some attributes. That is why the image tag is called as empty tag. Images are added to a web page using the image tag in HTML. Syntax of adding the image on a web page is image src equal to xyz.jpg. Next is various attributes of image tag. First one, the src attribute. The src attribute provides information about location of the image. The location refers to the source of the image. It tells the browser where to find the image. There are two ways to get URL of the file available on internet. First one, right click on the image and copy the image link. Second one, right click on the image and save the image with other name into your computer's hard disk and use the path. Example of inserting an image from any URL, image src equal to http://images/image1.jpg. Second one, the alt attribute. The alt attribute along with an image tag describe the source image. It is advisable to define the alt attribute for the following reasons. First one, it describes the image. Second, due to some reasons if the browser does not display the image, the reader will come to know about the type of a picture. Third one, when the web page is read by the software such as a screen reader and search engine, the interpretation of the image becomes easy. Example of the alt attribute is image src equal to pn.bmp alt equal to my school. Next attribute is the height and width attributes. The height attribute of image tag specifies how tall the image should appear on the page. The width attribute indicates the browser how wide the image should appear on the page. Values of both width and height attributes can be specified using the number of pixels. Example, image src equal to pn.bmp alt equal to my school, height equal to 120, width equal to 180. Next attribute is the align attribute. The align attribute is used to align the given image within the page or any element that contains the image. Example, image src equal to pn.png alt equal to my school, align equal to center. Following values can be used with align attribute. First one, top. The image is aligned at the top of the current line of text. Second one, middle. The image is aligned in such a way that the middle of the image appears at the current text. Third one, bottom. The bottom of the image is aligned with the baseline of the current line of the text. Fourth one, left. The image is aligned to the left side of the containing window or element. Fifth one, the right. The image is aligned to the right side of the containing window or element. Next attribute is The border attribute. The border attribute highlights the image with a border. The width of border attribute is given in pixels. Example, image src equal to pn.png, alt equal to my school, align equal to right, border equal to 20. Next attribute is the ID attribute. The ID attribute specifies an identifier for the image. Later on, the image can be referred by the identifier in a script written in a programming language such as Java. Example, image src equal to computer.png, ID equal to comp underscore image. Next attribute is H space and V space attributes. The H space and V space attributes are useful when the image is in line with the text, leaving no gaps. Leaving the vertical and horizontal gaps makes the image clearer and the page more readable. The V space attribute adds space over and under the image, whereas the H space attributes add space to the left and right of the image. Example, image src equal to computer.pmp, H space equal to 30, V space equal to 10. Next attribute is low src attribute. This attribute publishes a low resolution image. Example, image src equal to rainbow.pmp, low src equal to rainbow underscore low.bmp. To get low resolution image by using resize, crop or resample the image by a suitable image editing tool. With low resolution image, we can solve the problem of browser speed as well as size of image. Next topic is image as a hotspot. Sometimes a small image is used as a link to go to another web page, which describes the small image with the larger image. In such case, that small image is referred as hotspot. Example, in online shopping sites for jewelry, mobile phones, shoes, books, and so on. On a single page, we might have seen small images of many items displayed with brief information of each. When we find a particular item, we may click the small image to go to the page containing detailed information. This is called hotspot. Small images are also identified as thumbnails. Next one is image map. To create multiple links within a single image, we need to create multiple clickable locations within the image. Clicking on each such location, a particular reference can be opened. Each such location is called a hotspot. When one clicks on such hotspot, new web page can be opened. For example, a map of the world may have each country hyperlinked to further information about that country. The intention of an image map is to provide an easy way of linking various parts of an image without dividing the image into separate image files. The location of a hotspot is mentioned using x and y coordinates measured from the top left hand corner of the image. These coordinates are used in two ways. First one, to specify where the hotspots are. Second one, to compare the coordinates provided by user through a click. The browser at the user side identifies the coordinate of the user's click and takes user to the referred web page. For this, map and area tags are used along with a usemap attribute into its image tag. The map tag has an attribute called map. The map attribute value must be matching with the usemap attribute value. Example, image src equal to city.bmp, width equal to 700, height equal to 600, alt equal to city, usemap equal to hash roadmap. Here, hash roadmap is the name of identifier of usemap. Within the map and /map tags, the hotspot coordinates and their corresponding links are to be specified. The valid possible shapes are circle, rectangle and polygon. The rectangle is specified by circle is specified by circle and polygon is specified by poly. Next topic is linking multimedia files. A video as well as an audio file can be integrated into an HTML document using an anchor tag. Various video file formats are .mov, .avi, .wmv, .meg or mpeg, .mp4, .swf. Example: ahref equal to foot.mp4. Write down the statement and then close the anchor tag. For an audio file, various file formats such as .mid, .rm, .wav, .wma, .mp3, etc. are used. Example: ahref equal to song.mp3. Write down the statement and then close the anchor tag. I hope you have understood all the topics of chapter number 3. Thank you, students.